In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project tracker in Smartsheet. Whether you're kicking off a new initiative or just want a simple way to organize tasks, the fastest route is to start from a ready-made template. We'll move through the interface together so you know exactly what to click and what to expect on screen. Begin on the Smartsheet home screen. Look to the left sidebar and click Create. This opens the new item panel. Instead of starting from a blank sheet, choose More Options. That tells Smartsheet you want to browse the full gallery rather than the handful of quick starters. In the gallery window, glance to the top right corner. You'll see a small link that says View All Templates. It can be easy to miss on smaller displays, so don't worry if you need a second to find it. Click that link to open the complete template collection. At the top right of the template library, you'll find a search field. Click inside it and type Project Tracking. As you type, results will filter in. Select the Project Tracking template in the results. It provides a pre-built layout designed for schedules, ownership, and status updates. The description typically highlights columns like task name, start date, end date, assigned to, and status, along with formatting that makes progress easier to scan. When you're ready, hit Create. Smartsheet will generate your sheet based on that template. Give it a moment to process. Depending on your connection, it may take a few seconds while the structure and any example rows are added. You'll know it's done when the new sheet opens and you can scroll through the columns. That's all it takes. By starting from the project tracking template, you skip setup and land on a practical, organized framework you can use immediately. If you don't see the template at first, double-check the spelling in the search field, and note that the View All Templates link can be tucked away on smaller screens. The Create button lives on the left sidebar, which might be hidden if the sidebar is collapsed. Once your sheet appears, you're ready to begin exploring and tailoring it to your work. But the key steps are exactly what we covered. Create, More Options, View All Templates, search Project Tracking, select it, and click Create. Thanks for following along.